Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 8th of December 2024. I'll be going over week 46's results for the SPY front testing strategy, day open versus days close. Now there was a buy signal on the 2nd of December, which would have given us a $1,138.5 profit or 0.108%. On the 3rd, we had a sell signal, which gave us a loss of 0.088%. On the 4th, we would have had a buy signal, giving us a profit of 3,485.51 USD or 0.332%. No trade would have been taken on the 5th. And on 6th, there would have been a buy signal, which would have given us a small profit of 635.66 US dollars or 0.059%. Now we started this week at 5.544%, ended at 4.544%, and ended at 4.956%. Our alpha went from minus 15.383 to minus 15.843%, decreasing. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.